Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Big Easy Replacement Parts is probably one of the most versatile outdoor cookers on the market, but even the best appliances need a little TLC. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Char-Broil Big Easy Replacement Parts. Whether you're a seasoned grilling guru or a backyard barbecue beginner, knowing how to keep your Big Easy in top shape is essential for delicious results every time. Number 5. Char-Broil the Big Easy Better Basket. This is an upgrade for the standard basket. It is designed to enhance your cooking experience with the oil-less turkey fryer. It makes cooking easier. The design is collapsible, making loading and unloading food quick and simple. This feature allows for easy handling and efficient cooking. It collapses to just 1 inch tall, allowing for storage in cabinets or drawers. This compact design saves space. It is made of premium 304SS construction, which won't rust. This ensures durability and longevity. It is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This convenient feature saves you time and effort. What we like. This basket's collapsible design makes it super easy to load and unload food. It also won't rust thanks to its premium 304SS construction. If you're looking for an upgrade that's both convenient and durable, you should consider this. What people say. This was a great price for this basket. I tried it out on a small turkey and it worked great. So much easier to remove the bird than without this basket. This folds down nice and tight and takes up almost no space at all. Well made and easy to use. When I got it, I immediately tried the turkey in it and then tried it in the Big Easy to make sure it would fit. It did. Best turkey I have ever had. The greatest thing about this basket is when the turkey is done you pull the basket out, set it on the counter and the basket collapses down, so no fighting trying to get turkey out. Number 4. Charbroil Grill Grates Replacement Parts. These grill grates are designed to be a direct replacement for your Charbroil grill. They are made of upgraded enamel cast iron, making them durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. This ensures that it will last for a long time. Each grate measures 9'5" 16" x 16'7" and a set of 3 grates gives you a total of 27'15" x 16'7". The material is built to withstand high heat and provide even heat distribution. This helps to cook your food perfectly. These replacement grates fit a wide range of Charbroil models, including 4634701109, 4664343315, and many more. They are also compatible with thermos grills. You can easily find the right fit for your grill. Specifically designed to fit Charbroil classic 4-burner grills. The grates are compatible with models like 4634362215, 4634399915, and others. It is a perfect replacement for your old grates. The grates provide excellent heat retention and transfer, ensuring your food cooks evenly. They help to create those desirable sear marks and enhance the smokiness of your food. This will improve the taste of your grilled food. For best results, apply a light coating of oil to the grates before use to create a non-stick surface. If you're unsure if these grates fit your grill, please contact us for assistance. We are here to help you. What we like. These grill grates are made of durable cast iron, ensuring even heat distribution for perfect grilling. The material is also resistant to rust and corrosion. If you like a grill that delivers consistent results and lasts, you should consider these. What people say. Fit perfectly and increased the life of my grill. They're very solid, very sturdy, and did a great job on my grill. Good quality and size to fit my grill. Number 3. Charbroil Tru-Infrared Grill Replacement Parts. Are you looking to enhance your grilling experience? These replacement parts are designed to fit your Charbroil Tru-Infrared 3-burner gas grill. They will help you get the most out of your grill. This set includes stainless steel emitters and cast iron grill grates. They are built to last, ensuring even heat distribution and preventing flare-ups. This will help you create delicious, juicy food. These parts are specifically designed for Charbroil commercial and signature Tru-Infrared 3-burner gas grills. The emitters measure 17 by 8 1/16 inches each, and the grates are 17 by 7 1/2 inches each. They are easy to install. These replacement parts fit various Char-Broil models, including 4633555220, 4632425516, and many more. Please check the size of your grill parts before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. Replacing your old grill parts is simple. These high-quality replacements will have your grill performing like new. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This set includes stainless steel emitters and cast iron grates, designed for heavy-duty performance. These grates help to avoid flare-ups, creating juicier meats. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting grilling experience, you should consider them. What people say. Works as described. If you find your model number of your grill, the set will perfectly. I was very impressed with the quality. It appeared to be identical to the original parts. One will be ordering them again if I need to. Fit perfectly. Number 2. Char-Broil Tru-Infrared Grill Replacement Parts. Are you looking to enhance your grilling experience? These replacement parts are designed specifically for Char-Broil Tru-Infrared grills. They will help you get the most out of your grill. This product is compatible with various Char-Broil models. It includes parts for the Signature, Commercial, and Medallion series. This ensures that it fits your specific grill model. The emitter plates are made from stamped stainless steel, and the cooking grates are made from sturdy matte enamel cast iron. These materials ensure that it can withstand high temperatures and last for a long time. The emitter plates feature a design with multiple holes to help distribute heat evenly. This ensures that your food cooks consistently and perfectly every time. You'll enjoy delicious, evenly cooked meals. The package includes a 3-pack of emitter plates and a 3-pack of grill grates. The emitter plates measure 17.18 by 8.18 inches, and the grates measure 17 by 7.58 inches. It is everything you need to get your grill back in top shape. These replacement parts are compatible with a wide range of Char-Broil models. This includes models like 4632425515, 4632425516, 4633677016, and many more. It's a versatile solution for your grilling needs. What we like. This set is specifically designed for Tru-Infrared grills, ensuring a perfect fit. The grates are made from sturdy cast iron. If you have a Char-Broil Tru-Infrared grill and want a simple upgrade, you should consider this. What people say. These grates fit my 3-burner grill perfectly. This is the first set I've found that fit exactly. Check your model number. Time will tell as to durability, but the quality looks very good and grates typically last 3 seasons or so. Easy way to upgrade your grill if you don't already have cast iron grates. There's nothing better. Couldn't find these replacements in stock with any local dealers, and these were comparably priced and excellent quality. Number 1. Char-Broil Tru-Infrared Grill Replacement Parts. Are you looking to revitalize your Char-Broil grill? These Tru-Infrared emitter grates and cooking grates are designed to fit a variety of 4-burner models, pre-2015. They are the perfect solution to enhance your grilling experience. This set is compatible with various Char-Broil models, including those with part numbers like 4632249112 and 4632711314. It also fits Kenmore 4632681107 grills. Make sure it fits your grill. The emitters are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, while the cooking grates are made from sturdy, matte enamel cast iron. These materials ensure durability and even heat distribution. This set will last for a long time. Each package includes a 4-pack of emitter plates and a 4-pack of grates. The dimensions are 18 to 38 x 7 to 58 inches per emitter and 18 to 14 x 7 to 18 inches per grate. It is easy to install. The non-stick cast iron grates sit perfectly on the stainless steel emitters, making them easy to clean and install. This set is a great replacement for your grill. We are committed to providing top-notch after-sales service. If you have any issues with the product, our team is here to offer a satisfactory resolution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This set is specifically designed for Tru-Infrared grills, ensuring a perfect fit. The grates are made from sturdy cast iron. If you have a Char-Broil Tru-Infrared grill and want a simple upgrade, you should consider this. What people say. These grates are great. They fit well and I like the way the holes are on the top of the infrared panels instead of on the bottom low points. So much easier to clean. This set fit my Charbroil 4632411414 very nicely. I have used the grill once since installing these grates. So far I am very satisfied with them. Seller had make and model, which is very important as others look the same but are a touch smaller and will not fit properly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.